Hi, my name is Jake Bain and I'm the creator of DigiDiff. This is the first video in a multi-part series where we're going to break down all of DigiDiff's features. It can admittedly be daunting when you first open up the plugin with all of the different options you have. So we put together this series to kind of help lessen the learning curve and get you up and running quicker with DigiDiff. So let's jump right in. First things first, I want to briefly talk about where DigiDiff best fits in your node graph pipeline. Now you have the freedom to put DigiDiff wherever you please, but what we recommend is placing DigiDiff as early on in your pipeline as possible. This ensures that DigiDiff has the most amount of data to work with, as well as more accurately emulates diffusion filters. So within the grades for this walkthrough project, I have my node graph built out as such. I'm using a group post clip to build out my look, which you can see here. And I'm balancing on a clip basis, which you can see here. So exposure and contrast adjustments, I'll do on a clip basis. And the very beginning of my node graph is here with node number 1 labeled DigiDiff. For these particular grades, I'm not using the group pre-clip. What I would typically do here is if I am converting from the scene space that the camera captured in to a working space, I would put a CST here, and whichever color space and gamma that I convert to and want to work within, I would then place DigiDiff after that node. So DigiDiff would go here, and I would select the gamma within the plugin to match my working space. For this particular project though, I'm working with Sony S-Log3 footage, and I have no problems working within that space as well. So I'm just going to select S-Log3 as my input gamma for DigiDiff, and this is the very start of my node graph. Additionally, if you're a user that uses color managed workflows such as ACES or Resolve Color Managed, DigiDiff also accommodates those workflows. After you've set up your color management settings within your project settings here, you can go within DigiDiff, and for Resolve Color Management, you're going to want to work within DaVinci Intermediate. If you are working within an ACES color space, we have both ACES CC and ACES CCT, depending on which version of ACES and flavor of the ACES workflow that you choose to work in. So now that we have the technicalities out of the way, we can jump right into using DigiDiff.